Are you recording video?
Yeah. I'm recording this for posterity.
Oh, you want to send it up to the damn forum. That's what you want.
Well, of course I do. So they can all admire it.
So the linkage for the new differential aileron deflection and its bracket have been prototyped. New U-bracket to bolt to the wing brace. New linkage assembly. This is the neutral position of the control stick. When the control stick moves one way, we go like that. That nut passes well over the control rod. That's back to neutral. And when we go to full deflection the other way, we go that way. So we never bottom out in the linkage on the back. So the other linkage comes up and goes back to the aileron. Yet to be made.
Engineering by Chuck Jansen and 3D printed by Ron Cox. Okay, Chuck, explain what you're going to re-engineer on this piece.
We're going to make this vertical tube a couple of sizes larger, and we're going to press in both top and bottom bronze oil-light bushings so that we get smooth actuation across the bolt without going steel to steel.
Why do we need two bushings?
Because you won't buy a bushing that long and press it all the way in.
Okay. Works for me. What do I know? Okay. Recording. Go ahead and swing that thing. And then I'm going to kind of walk around a little bit. Try it again. Okay. So we're going to come around here. Try that one more time. Okay. And once more. And then I want to go right here. Okay, and I want to put it right here so we can see our elevation. Goes right down. That's pretty far down. Huh. Okay.